Your Excellency, my dear wife, Your Excellency the Deputy Governor, the Right Honorable the Speaker of the State House of Assembly, my Lord the Chief Judge of Rivers State, the President of the Customary Court of Appeal, Chairman of our Elders Council, Judges of Rivers State High Court, and that of the Customary Court of Appeal, gentlemen of the press, ladies and gentlemen. Well, it's unfortunate that we have this heavy rain. I was thinking that the Chief Judge, as a proper equipped man, would have done something to stop the rain. While we were commissioning the hostel for the clinical students, they assured us that it would not rain, and it didn't rain. But Lord the Chief Judge told me that I should forget that we don't rain, yet there's heavy rain. But let me thank each and every one of us who have defied the heavy downpour to witness this second phase of the residence of judges of the Rivers State Judiciary. But before I go into that, it is important to let the public know where we are, why we are here. This place used to be Bayelsa State Government property when Bayelsa was created out of Rivers State. And it's part of our urban renewal. All of us know that we gave the whole of OGRA to Julius Berger PLC to do all the roads and drainages. In 2021, I wrote to my colleague, the governor of Bayelsa State, and I said, listen, this property here is highly dilapidated. You don't even know those who are staying here. Criminals took over the entire area. In 2021, August, even when we attend our governor's meeting, I called his attention. I said, listen, there is no way we can allow this kind of property to be here. It is either you renovate it, which will not cost not more than 200 or 300 million, or you sell it to Rivers State Government. So we'll be able to rebuild the place so that we know those who are staying in that area. If you look at that building, judges are staying there. And then in this place, hoodlums. And anybody who sees the picture of that property, you feel so bad. 2022, I reminded him. I said, look, up to now, you've not done anything. I said, oh, you will try and do something. Also, in one of my routine inspections, going around the OGRA and see the work we are doing, I saw that the property was still there. I said, no. Minister of Land issued them another 14 days notice so that they'll be able to take action. They did not. While I was away, they asked for more time, as I knew that something was coming. And I said, no, enough is enough. So we acquired it under public policy. And so that's why we are building the judges' quarters. So nobody should think, oh, they took Bayelsa State property. It's not true. But I cannot allow the capital of our state to be where you cannot even allow people to live. It must be in an environment that people will say, yes, this is where I'm living. And to tell the Bayelsa people, I have nothing against Bayelsa State or the Bayelsa people. But every government must be serious. You must show leadership. The law school that is cited in Port Harcourt, nobody forced Rivers State to go and intervene. We went and intervened in law school and spent not less than 5.3 billion naira. If we have anything against Bayelsa State, there's no way we would have gone to even help in rebuilding that law school. When Bayelsa State was inaugurating their medical school, Rivers State government was invited. That occasion was done on a Saturday. I was there. Rivers State government donated 500 million naira. And on Monday, the state government acknowledged of the receipt of that money. We are playing brother and sister role, which is supposed to be. But just to let people know that if you go to Lagos State today, Bishop Oyewole, you will regret. You will even be surprised why Lagos State government have not revoked the CFO of that liaison office. We have pleaded with Bayelsa State government, you take one part, let Rivers State take one part, and develop the property. Up till now, nothing has happened. You can't go to that place and you feel happy. Why? I do not know. Look at the flour mill. Flour mill is dead for long. People came. We called Bayelsa State government. Listen, this place is dead. No employment is going on. Let us see how we can arrange with investors. Let them take it. And then create where our children will be employed. As I speak to you today, that has been stored by Bayelsa State government. What is the benefit? I do not know. Something that will benefit the two states. That apart, you remember of new engineering works. That property was taken over by Amcon. Amcon advertised for the sale of that property. We saw it on newspaper advertisement. I called the Attorney General. We can't be here and this property is sold. So let's bid for it and let Rivers State government be given the opportunity to buy it. Immediately, Amcon sold that property to Rivers State government. Bayelsa State went to court against the Rivers State government. What is the reason? We should have allowed Amcon to sell the property to other people. So, as far as I'm concerned, the government of Bayelsa State has not been cooperative to Rivers State, but not Bayelsa people. We have nothing against Bayelsa people. And let the record be put straight so that those who are saying what they not know should understand. Any governor who says he's a governor and will allow this type of property criminals taking over to allow it. Okewale was kidnapped. Okewale lives here. Who knows when he was leaving his house, who was following him, who was monitoring him. We must identify people who are living in an environment. So people should know that we have nothing against anybody, but that our environment must be clean. Our environment must be seen to be the best where we can allow our public officers to stay. So we have given the contractor 5 months to finish this building. We have also paid 45% of the contract sum, so that when the incoming governor takes over from Monday, he has a lot of things in his hand to make sure that these projects are completed. So the NBA president chairman has said that the incoming governor should also look into margin and customary. Mind you, customary court of appeal judges are also beneficiaries of what we are doing. But if you are talking about chairmen and members, it will be very, very difficult. So don't come now to tell me, oh, you advocated for them. That advocacy will not work at all, at all. It will not work. So the number of you have chairmen and members alone, no state government can even venture to go and build houses. They will pay you in lieu of the accommodation that you are supposed to have. But on the whole, let me thank the bar for the support they have given to us. In the next few days, we are almost done. And we want to say we are happy going because we know we have done well and our shoulders are high. because of the rain, I don't know whether the Chief Judge will have the opportunity for the rain to beat you. We are not worried because even when we are campaigning, we stay under the rain. So we are not worried, we can go there. But I apply for the first time, try, so that you can apply for more wardrobe allowance to change the one that the rain will beat it. So thank you and God bless you.
Hey.